Mr. Thompson, how are you, sir?
Fine, thank you.
Good to see you. You are well past retirement. What is it that keeps you working these days?
Besides denying that he's retired?
Yeah, I prefer the term selectively employed. Besides, who's going to teach you how to budget for when you're my age?
Speaking of that, how important was that to folks back in the 20s?
Nobody talked about retirement until they were really in it. There was no prep, no plans, just a vague fear and what the kids called back then vibes.
So then, how would you say all ages, all stages helped?
They rolled out programs like Work and Save NC, so we could set aside money from every paycheck, and especially those who didn't have a retirement plan at work. They paired it with classes that showed us how to budget, find benefits, and understand the real costs we might face in the future. We even learned how to share what we learned with others. And that was just the beginning. They started rethinking what aging could look like. And eventually so did we.
You went back to school, too.
Learned graphic design at 71. Not the youngest student by any stretch, but no one made me feel out of place because of it. I guess they respected the hustle.
And the smarts. Don't forget that.
Working now in my 70s not only keeps me busy, but also keeps me a part of something real and important. I'm still learning, growing, and proving that having purpose never gets old.
A future like this isn't something we have to imagine. It's what happens when a state comes together to care for one another, plan ahead, and do better. This is your North Carolina. Join the effort to make it ready for all ages, all stages,